I'll get in a minute after I stop taking pictures of you. Can you blow bubbles in the water?
Yeah.
Show me. How do you blow bubbles in the water? With your mouth.
Like that.
Like that? Show me again. Show me how to blow bubbles, Elijah. Show me how to blow bubbles in the water with your mouth. Do you like splashing? You do?
Get in.
You want me to get in?
Yeah.
Why? So you can splash Mommy?
Yeah.
Do you like your pool?
Yeah.
Did you just get a bath in the pool? Got your hair washed and everything?
No.
Yes, you did.